How to fix Microsoft Teams meeting links not opening in app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Microsoft Teams meetings links not opening in the app on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the method 1, that is to set Microsoft Teams as the default apps. Simply press Windows plus S to open the search menu and type default apps and simply hit enter. Now scroll down to the related settings section and click on choose defaults by link type or choose the default apps on protocol. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and search for Microsoft Teams. And once you have located it, simply double click on Microsoft Teams to set it as a default app. And now when you click a Teams meeting link, it should prompt you to open the app instead of staying in the browser. And with this, let's head to the method 2, that is to check browser settings. So if you don't see the prompt to open a meeting in Teams, your browser settings might be the issue. So try these steps. So open the meeting link in the different browser, and if it works there, you may need to reset the settings in your default browser to resolve the problem. And with that, let's head to the method 3, that is to repair or reset Microsoft Teams. So if the issue still persists, you can try repairing or resetting the Teams app. So to do that, simply press Windows key plus S and search for Microsoft Teams. And once you have searched for that, simply right click on the app and from the pop-up menu, simply click on App Settings. And once you are in the settings section of that app, you can scroll down to the reset section and you can simply click repair. And if the problem continues, use the reset option to restore Teams to its default settings. And hopefully one of these methods fixes your issues. And if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.